Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Yeah, I am good.
What's your name?
My name is Brajesh.
Nice to meet you. I'm Wafa.
Yeah,
Where
nice
are
to
you
meet you
from?
too. Yeah, I am from India.
Okay, nice. So what did you want to focus on in this lesson?
I just want to improve my English, so you can suggest whatever you wanna tell.
Okay, sure. So you want to practice your speaking skills, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so there's different topics on Cambly. Maybe we can choose one of the conversation topics.
Yeah.
So maybe we can do cooking. Would that be good for
I
you?
don't know.
Or
I,
maybe your dream job?
yeah, it's maybe.
Okay, let's see if it's good. Okay, so in this lesson, we'll be covering some grammar. So the prepositions at, in, for, and with to talk about careers. Then we'll have a discussion on your dream job, how people can achieve their dream jobs. And then we'll finish off with a role play on giving advice on your friend's career decisions.
Yeah.
Okay, so where do you work?
I do work in my field right now.
Okay, and which is?
It is farming.
Farming?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you do there?
Right now I'm.
Okay. And what
Yeah.
kind of things are you harvesting?
Wheat.
Wheat?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Mm. Okay. What do you like best about your job?
Everything like planting,
Mm.
irrigation, and harvesting because it's a food grains and we are farmer. So it is pleasure for us that we cultivate food grains
Yeah.
and we serve people and after eating our food, people can survive and it's feel very great to us that we are doing something for our country
Hmm.
and our country people. And yeah, our government to send food grains to other countries as well. So I really enjoy all of these things about
Okay.
farming.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So you find your job to be very like fulfilling and like, yeah,
Yeah, fully satisfying.
that's good. That's really good. Is there anything that you don't like about your job?
I like everything, and about our job, sometime we have to do it on sunny weather, so it feels hotter sometime,
Yeah. Yeah.
but it's okay.
Yeah. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay, so different prepositions are used when you talk about work. Review how each preposition below is used with your tutor. Okay, so using at and for to show the name of the company. So I work for Nike, I work at Microsoft. And then using for to show who you work for. So for example, I work for Mr. Smith, a regional manager of Apple Store. And then using in to show the place, city, department, or industry. So I work in marketing, I work in Tokyo, I work in a school, and then using with to show things or people that you deal with at work. So I work with data, I work with the public. So do those examples make sense to you?
Yeah, I understood really well.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so think about your dream job and answer the following questions using the correct prepositions. Where would you like to work?
So uh, actually, I don't wanna do job because whatever I am doing, it's fully satisfying, and it feels happy because I work with my family and my friends. So I don't think that we should go outside of our state. Uh, so
Mhm.
I can't mention about any specific company.
So do you think that what you're doing now is that kind of like your dream job?
It's not like my dream job, but it's fully satisfying because it's my center's job, and I am farmer, but I want to be a great English speaker, so I could teach to my villagers. So to be a good English speaker and become a YouTuber,
Oh,
dream job. So I want to do in my village. So I don't wanna go outside of my village.
mhm.
My you can say my dream job is to be a YouTuber.
Really? Okay. So have you started your YouTube channel already?
I started in 2020 during lockdown,
Oh,
but
okay. Wow.
but right now I'm not using it.
You haven't been posting recently?
Yeah, I just keep thinking that we should start, but I
Mhm.
just procrastinate every day. But
Yeah.
maybe I will start very soon. If I will feel confident, then I must start.
Yeah, for sure. I think you should. I mean, if that's what you want to do, you should definitely get started.
Yeah,
Um, okay, so which industry or field would you like to work in?
yeah. So industry is very crystal and clear. I would like to be in uh, social. I can't remember what is called online
Yeah,
earning.
so like
Yeah,
the maybe entertainment industry, maybe you could say.
not entertainment, but online earning. It's
Yeah,
industry.
like a creator, like a digital creator.
Yeah, digital creator like I wanna earn from Instagram. I wanna earn from YouTube as well.
Mm-hmm.
So it's my industry. I can say right now, social
Yeah.
media.
Or like, yeah, like social media content creator. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. What or who would you like to work with? Why?
So I wanna work with my computer, my headphones,
Mm-hmm.
my books.
So like technology. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Technology, and I don't like lazy people. So I work alone, whatever I do in my leisure time.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I would prefer technology. I
Mm-hmm.
will work with, yeah.
Okay. Did you have a dream job growing up?
Not right now, but in future I can hope so.
I think what they mean is like when you were younger, when you were just a child, maybe, did you have a dream job?
Yeah, so that time I had, but that time I was not mature that much.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just kept wondering that I should be a teacher, I should be a private worker. So I was not clear that time,
Yeah.
so I can't say
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah, I guess it's hard to know when you're younger, like exactly what you want to do. As it can be difficult to know. Right.
Yeah, and when we become adult, that time we see our situation, we see our talent, and that time we find that we should do this, we should do that. So
Mhm.
people gradually understand what they should do in their futures.
Yeah. So why do you want to be like a content creator?
Because I don't want to go away from my family, first of all, and where you are born, so its a place is very specific for you.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the main reason. And in my village, are my childhood friends, and I really enjoy staying with them. So that's why I don't want to go outside of my village.
Yeah. So if you're a content creator, you can kind of do that from anywhere. So you could stay in your village and just do it from there.
Yeah. So I can earn from anywhere. So I am learning for that right now.
Yeah. So do you live with your family right now? Like, are you in your hometown?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I would like to know about yourself.
Sure. So for me too, like, I guess it's been like kind of challenging to figure out what I want to do with my life. Like, I tried a lot of different things as well. But something that I always enjoyed doing was baking. Like, I've been doing that since a young age. And then I was always doing that at home. But recently I started working at a bakery. So it was my first time actually like um, working at a bakery and not just baking at home. So I was
Yeah.
at that job for 10 months, but then I ended up quitting. Like I liked the job, but um, I just didn't really like the work environment. Like I didn't like my boss, like the manager. So I didn't want to keep working there and I just thought that maybe I could start my own business from home. Um, so that's kind of what I'm working on now, like trying to get my cake business started. But it is difficult to find customers. Um, but that's kind of what I've been working on.
So it's happened with best of us. If you start something and you said about your boss, your manager.
Yeah.
So in my opinion, if you do job, then you will have to handle that much pressure
Yeah. Yeah.
from your senior. So I don't like job. That's why because I did many job and I find out that you like lion in the circus.
Hmm.
Your life become like this that they say do the
Yeah. Hello.
little